Hey all, welcome back to DiaBeautyBlossoms. I hope you all are doing great, and today I am here with a kind of review video. And today I made this look using a Wet n Wild, and I just want to review and first impression kind of thing. And I really love the way the makeup has turned out. I'll put a picture. I'm not sure if my camera can focus everything, but I really like the way it turned out, and I'm in love with this lip gloss and also these earrings. I think I got these earrings from Paris box, if I'm not wrong. I really love them. I've not tried these many days, but I really love the look how it turned out, and I really like the highlighter. Oh my god, if you can see, it's so beaming and it's really pretty. So yes, without further ado, this is the one which I'll be reviewing. So this is the Wet n Wild Flights of Fancy. If you have not watched my Wet n Wild haul, I'll put that link somewhere here in the description box, so you can go and check that. But this is the box I have purchased along with few other products when there was some offer. So it comes in this kind of pretty packaging. I'll put all the details about the cost and all in the screen or in the description box, so check out. I directly purchased from the US website. Wet n Wild is also available on India. When I was doing the haul video, I thought this range is not available in India yet. This is limited edition. But now Nykaa does have this Flights of Fancy eyeshadow palettes, lip gloss and everything on the website. I'll put the direct links where you can go out. If you want to try any one product, just try the lip gloss. This shade, it's so pretty. I didn't apply any lipstick. It's so pigmented. I have pigmented lips, but you can see it looks so awesome. If you are someone with my skin tone, or if you are a little bit fair skin tone or dark skin tone, everyone, you definitely have to try this one. It's so pretty. But this is the kit. It comes in this beautiful packaging, and when I open this one, this box is, oh my god, I'm sorry. You can see this box, you get 3 eyeshadow palettes, you get 3 blushers, you have a lip scrub, you have a makeup prime setting spray, you have 2 eyeliners, you have 4 lip glosses, and it doesn't come with a highlighter, but these blushes works as highlighter as well, so you don't need an additional highlighter. And I think the only thing which it does not have is a bronzer, but again you have an eyeshadow where you have the transition shade, which I'll show you now, which you can use it as bronzer. Apart from that, I think you have everything for makeup. I mean, not the base, but the makeup. So let's just go one by one, and I'll show you swatches and everything about this palette. I think this is very affordable. You can take this out of the box and you have all this, the color, the theme, everything is so pretty. And even if I purchase it on Nykaa, I think it's a little bit expensive. I saved a lot, and also I got a brush set free. If you have not watched that whole video, you have to run now and watch it. So I'll go through the eyeshadows first. So I used 2 eyeshadow palettes today from this kit to make this beautiful look, which is like orangey, you know, coppery, rosy, goldeny color eye look which I created. And I used these 2 palettes. So you get all 3 these quads or small palettes, whatever you can call it. The first one you have is this Flock Party. And then you have Stop Ruffling My Feathers, which I used these 2 today to create this look. And the last one you have Hasta La Costa Baby, and this is like, you know, I think they've categorized to everything. You can use daily wear, you want some goldeny look, or you want some blue, green look, you can use these palettes. These quads are really nice. So the first one we'll go through is this Flock Party, and this is a limited edition, by the way. And this is how the shades are. You have the transition shade, you have the brow bone shade, you have the crease, you have the eyelid shade. It's clearly mentioned on each of these quads on which is transition, which is eyelid, which is brow bone, and which is the, you know, the crease shade. So, and the transition shade is almost same, but they have categorized to all skin tones. If you're fair skin tones, you'll find one transition shade of this one should be matching, and if you are a little dark medium skin tone, you can use this, and if you are dark skin tone, you can use this transition shade. At the back side you have a lid, you know, eye makeup look. You actually have this guidance on how to get this look. You have stepwise here where you can follow. So you have these steps. If you follow, you can get this beautiful look. So it's the same for every palette. If you are a beginner, you can definitely try one of these quads. It's very affordable, and you can create such good, at least 2 looks out of this. These are the 4 eyeshadows you get in this quad. They are really pretty. They are really pretty. I like this eyelid shade and the crease shade, and also the transition shade. It's really pretty. I just used this one shade on my look today. but they are so pigmented and really nice, is this limited edition Stop Ruffling My Feathers, which is really pretty. Again, I used this one to create this look. Most of the shades I used only golden shade from this one, but otherwise I used all the 4 shades from this one, which I really feel this transition is very good for my skin tone. You have this transition, you have this brow bone, you have this crease, you have this eyelid. It's so beautiful and it's really nice. They have printed everything on these are the shades. It's really nice. I think, I mean, you can use these shades if you're fair skin tone. They look very good. They pop out on your skin very nicely. Last eyeshadow palette which you get in this is this one, which is this squad is called Hasta La Costa Baby. You have really pretty shades in this blue, purpley shade and green. If you want to make a different eye look, you can definitely try this one. Can you see these 2 shades? They're so pretty. Oh, this is the perfect purple shade. I mean, most of the eyeshadow palettes I see the purple shade, but they don't turn out to be purple. But if you can see, they are so nice and pigmented. These are the shades. They are so pretty. I really like this purple and green teal shade. Overall, the pigmentation is so nice. I really like these shades. 3 blushes. These are baked blushes. You can see I've used this iridescent pink kind of blush today and also a highlighter. So you get these 3 pretty baked blushes. So the first one I have is this Don't Flutter Yourself. This is a baked blush. And oh my god, I really like the packaging of these blushes. They're so cute. It's so nice, so pigmented. One is this Dare to Star, and again the packaging is so pretty. I don't want to disturb this packaging. Yeah, you can use it as an eyeshadow as well. This one, it's so nice. Do you use blushes as eyeshadows? If you don't get that suitable to your skin tone, I use that. I use blushes in different ways and also highlighters in different ways. I don't just use highlighter as highlighter. I use highlighter to eyeshadows. I sometimes use, if it's too dark, I can use it as a bronzer. But this one is too pretty. It's Hummingbird Hype. It's so soft. That's the golden shade. Oh my god, they're so pretty. You must try one of this. They're so pretty blushes. They suit very well as the highlighters as well. You can use one as an highlighter or blush, and I can use both as blushes and eyeshadows. Blushes you get in this kit, they're so nice. You can see on my dark skin tone as well, you get this highly pigmented, so you can definitely try one of these. I don't know if you get this kit, but on Wetandwild website you have. If you want to use directly purchase from Wetandwild, I'll put my referral code where you can get 20% discount if I'm not wrong, and also I'll put ship out USA code where you can get 40% off of the shipping if you want to bring that from US to India. So you can use my codes and I'll not get anything paid. It's just that I have codes. You get 2 eyeliners. I used one today, the golden one. So you get these 2 liquid eyeliners, pretty ones. You get one is goldeny color, you get the other one is this green. This is the golden color today, and again I used black on top of it with 2 shades which are really pretty. So yes, these 2 are the shades. You get 4 lip glosses in it. These pretty 4 lip glosses. But today I'm wearing this shade which is really pretty. I'll show you however the hand swatches, but on lip swatches I'll do a separate video dedicated to these. These are very juicy lip glosses. They're not lipsticks, and it's so pigmented as well. So the first shade I have is this Fly Girl, which is kind of light pink but transparent shade. You don't see that much. You might have to use a lipstick underneath this one. And the next one I have is this Featherless, which is this kind of bricky shade but not brown. It's kind of nudie shade. Initially I was a little worried if they'll suit me, but these are lip glosses, so you don't need you can top it up with any lipstick you want. And this is the lip gloss shade. This Pout of Paradise, which is kind of orangey shade. It's a pigmented. You can see this one is so pigmented. Last one I have, which I really like out of all these 4, is the Shed the Pluck Up. You shed the pluck up. But it's very nice mauvey kind of shade, which is so pretty. So that's what I have on my lips. I'll try again. This so juicy lip gloss is very pretty. So I really like them. They're really good. So yes, these are the 4 lip glosses I have. The last 2 things you get in this kit. The first one is this Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Lip Scrub. As I already mentioned, it's a huge jar and it smells of watermelon. Oh my god, I can smell the watermelon. It's so nice. I've not used this scrub. I really like this one. I really like it. It's so pleasant, it's so nice, and it's really nice. And Wet n Wild products are cruelty free, so I really like that. This one I have is this Photo Focus Primer Water Spray, which is Paradise Potion, and this is really in this pretty packaging. You can see this comes in this pretty packaging, and you get this spray here. To be frank, I didn't like this much because if you can see, it's not fine. It sprays like water. I used it today to set my makeup. It's good, it works good, but it's not fine mist. I really prefer fine mist for using my, for setting up my makeup. It's good, I mean, it's good, I can work it out, but it's okay. I mean, I think this is the only product in this kit which I didn't like much, but I have to see how long this can hold my makeup. If it's really holding well, then I don't think the application should be an issue. So yes, this is all I have in this kit. I really love everything. It's really nice. I was skeptical about this blush and also these 3 lip glosses, but they really turned out well. I'm not worried now. I'm really happy. This is my really good investment and purchase of Wet n Wild. I was always wanted to try Wet n Wild products. I also want to try the foundation and concealer. I don't have any of them. Whenever I purchase, I'll make a dedicated complete full face of Wet n Wild. But today I used this Flights of Fancy gift kit to get this look. I really love it turned out, how it turned out. And also I used this bronzer, which is from Wet n Wild. It's Broken, but this is in the shade Queensland. It's really good bronzer for Indian skin tone. And also I use the highlighter as Precious Petal, which is really pretty, and this is what I used today on my cheeks. It's really nice. So yes, I use these products, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also please hit that small ting tong bell where you can get notified whenever I upload video. And please leave the comments below on how this look turned out, if you really like it, and if you feel I have to do more get ready with me videos with the new stuff I have. Or if you have any, if you are looking for any basic tips and tricks on the makeup, or have to do a basic makeup, everyday makeup, let me know. I'll do that for you people. So yes, thank you all so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.